Imagine a bike that eliminates the need for chain, gear or cassette maintenance. Instead, it features a belt-driving motor with a torque sensor for smooth pedaling boost, no gear shifting required, with hydraulic disc brakes for safe stopping and a sleek folding design. It's perfect for urban commuting and easily to fit in a car trunk. This is the future of the cycling, simple, efficient and hassle-free. Watch this ENGWE P20 review to learn more. When you first receive the ENGWE P20, you must fully assemble it yourself, although there is a lot of protective foam surrounding each piece, so removing it will take longer than it takes to put all the bike parts together. All the tools you will need to assemble the bike are included in the box, along with other little things like pedals, additional brake linings, reflectors, instructions and manual. The process will take about 20 minutes. Assembling the bike itself is really simple. As I said, removing the protective foam will take the most time. And here it is, yes, our ENGWE P20 is assembled and ready for a fast drive. As I mentioned earlier, the sleek and the futuristic design truly distinguish its model from other folding e-bikes on the market. Its aesthetic is not only eye-catching, but also feels innovative and modern. Personally, this mint green variant holds a special appeal for me. There is something about the fresh, vibrant hue that elevates the bike's overall look and makes it my favorite among the available color options. At the heart of the ENGWE P20 is a smooth and silent 250-watt motor. Don't let the voltage fool you, this motor is finely tuned for urban performance, delivering just the right amount of power to handle anything the city throws at you. Whether you are gliding down flat streets or tackling a steep inclines, the 42nm torque sensor automatically adjusts the pedal assist to match your needs, provides 3 levels of support to adjust your pedaling for optimal comfort and performance. You'll feel the boost, but it won't overpower you. It's all about giving you a smooth control experience. You can ride this bike in a fully manual mode without electricity, in a full electric mode with a throttle with a range of 20 to 30 km, or in my favorite pedal assist mode where we have a range of 18 to even 100 km. The bike comes with a factory limited speed to 25 km per hour according to the EU standards. If you go need faster than that, option can also be unlocked. Next, let's say something about the proven Samsung 36 voltage 9.6 amp-hour battery with the remarkable 100 km range. This battery ensures you can travel long distance without the anxiety of running out of the power mid-ride. No matter if you are commuting to work or exploring the city on the weekend, the P20 keeps going. It's not just about a range though. This battery is reliable, holds a charge impressively. In 5 to 6 hours battery is already full, and even if your battery drains while driving, the P20 can be driven manually without much effort. And then we also have these anti-theft protection features with the battery lock system. Whether you park outside of a store in a shared space, you can always take the battery with you and you can rest easily knowing your bike is secure. So you can charge the battery separately from the bike at the home or at the work. Mounted conveniently on the handlebar is a compact multifunctional LED display. There is no app, the display itself is tiny but fine. It provides a real-time reading data at a glance, speed, battery status and the pedal assist levels, all displayed in a crisp, bright interface. Even under direct sunlight or in low light conditions, the screen remains clear and easily to read. The up and down keys are used to change speed as well as move through the display menu. Right next to it we find the turn left, right signal buttons. Next to it is the bell. and the throttle button. Now let's talk about the belt drive system. Forget the old days of noisy chains and constant maintenance. The ENGWE P20 features a carbon belt drive that is not only whisper quiet but also maintenance free. With the impressive lifespan of up to 33,000 kilometers, this belt drive eliminates the need for lubrication or required adjustment. The result: a silent, a smooth and a carefree ride without additional cost and the service of the bike. Another practical feature is the bike's integrated light system in the body of the bike itself. The P20 is equipped with the front and rear lights, ensuring you're visible at all times, whether you are early morning or late at night. Also, the rear light has an integrated brake stop lighting system. Where the ENGWE P20 goes the extra mile is the rear turning signals. The turn signal lights make a huge difference in city traffic, letting other drivers know exactly when and where you are turning, making your ride safer and more predictable for everyone around you. Of course, it depends on you whether you want to use it or not. Safety is a priority with the ENGWE P20, and nothing speaks to that more than the bike's hydraulic braking system. There are not just average brakes, they offer precise stopping power with a minimum effort, even in wet and challenging conditions. Whether you are navigating heavy traffic or avoiding sudden objects, the brakes provide a responsible, controlled stop, giving you complete confidence on the road. Now let's focus on the rider's comfort, which is truly next level. The adjustable steam and the seat allow you to customize your riding position, ensuring that whether you are on the quick commute or longer ride, you can always find the perfect fit. So the recommended height of the driver is from 155 cm to 119 cm and weight up to 120 kg. And the seat, it's great. The luxurious SR seat is crafted for ergonomic support, featuring plush padding that guarantees comfortable ride even on a long distance or rougher terrain. Weighing in just 8.5 kilograms, the ENGWE P20 is impressively lightweight for electric bike. Now let's mention one of the bike's most convenient features, the easily fold design. In less than few seconds you can fold the bike down into a compact size, perfect for those living in small apartments or needing to store the bike in tight spaces. It's a game changer for anyone who needs flexibility in how they use and store their bike. Not only is a folding mechanism quick and user-friendly, but the bike also includes a magnetic holder that locks the tires in place when folded. The ENGWE P20 delivers with the IP6 waterproof rating, ensures that even in the heaviest rain the bike's electrical system are fully protected. And with the 20.1.95 puncture resistant tires, you don't have to worry about debris or hazards commonly found on the city streets. These tires are durable, offering excellent grip and control in both dry and wet conditions. They'll be reinforced with advanced technology to provide superior resistance against punctures, giving you peace of mind as you tackle urban terrain. So to wrap it up, the ENGWE P20 electric bike is a truly standout in the world of urban mobility. Its combination of powerful motor, long-lasting battery, luxurious comfort and practical features make it ideal choice for any city rider. Whether you are a daily commuter or weekend explorer or someone looking to make their transportation eco-friendly and efficient, the P20 delivers on all fronts. It's lightweight, foldable, easy to use and packed with high-end features that ensure safety, comfort and performance. And this futuristic design itself, especially in this mint green color, will surely attract many views to your new bike. And for those who find this color too striking, ENGWE offers two more decent colors, namely white and black, as well as this special Ace Color Edition, an interesting combination of a black and a red with a flame graphics, which could appeal especially to the younger generation. So if you're looking for a bike that effortlessly combines style and substance, the ENGWE P20 might just be your perfect match. The official sales links are below this video, be sure to visit them and secure your new ENGWE P20 today at a cheaper price. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. See you soon in the next time, bye!